really know exactly what kind of finish I'm looking for, and we'll sort of have to see where things go. The citrus strip worked really well and the paint just like bubbled up. So I was able to scrape it off just with a wire brush. There was a few spots I did have to hand sand a little bit, just a few little minor areas. But otherwise we're in good shape. So I'm going to, now I've got to be careful because I don't want to sand through the veneer. So I'm gonna try to hit it with 120 sandpaper, grit sandpaper, and see how that goes. Just a little bit, just to try to get like these darker areas off, to get a more even finish. And then I'll finish it off with 220. And then it'll be ready. I'm probably just gonna go ahead and seal it after that. I don't think I'm gonna stain it. We'll see what it looks like. A few spots that I'm not really that experienced sanding veneer, but there's a few spots where I don't know if this is like some kind of patch that's used or if this is like glue. But what I did was I got, I'll have to get a picture of it, but I just got one of those staining pins. It's basically just like a marker. I'm just gonna mark that, those spots. Let's see if I can find another one. There's like, there's kind of an area, and like here. I still gotta like dust this off, and then I'm gonna apply polyurethane. And here is a stain marker. This is the latest one that they had.